In this video, I'll show you how to quickly duplicate dimensions in AutoCAD using the Add Selected feature. This simple trick lets you reuse the same dimension style, layer, and settings without configuring everything again. First, select the dimension that has the style you want to copy. Then right-click on it and choose Add Selected from the menu. AutoCAD will automatically start the same dimension command while keeping the original layer, dimension style, and properties active. Now simply click on the new object you want to dimension, and the new dimension will match the existing one perfectly. This is a great way to maintain consistency throughout your drawings while saving time on repetitive tasks. It's especially useful when working with complex projects that require multiple dimensions using the same formatting. Instead of manually switching layers or changing dimension styles, you can complete your work much faster with this built-in feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and thanks for watching.